Hi guys, in front of me is TCL 605 and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device a bit. So all you have to do is to open your settings, now find and select apps, enroll all apps that you have and just pick the apps, like start with the apps that you use the most, go to storage and cache. Okay, so actually we do not have any cache in this one, maybe in Chrome. Okay, so Chrome, Chrome in my case do have some cache, so just go app by app and clear cache over here, just tap on clear cache, and that's it. Then let me check contacts, also clear cache. So this is the first and actually last step to clear cache and speed up your device a bit. Obviously at the end just close all apps that you have, you can perform a soft reset at the end, and that's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.